Ooh la la, ooh la la. Ooh la la, ooh la la. Yeah. Break something, break something, something. I walked in the studio 54 with a studded vest. Put the velvet ropes and the bouncers to the test. The DJ spinning down a summer sweet and light, but my head is banging to a different kind of night. I'm a rhinestone rebel on a polished floor, kicking down the glitter covered door. They're doing the hustle, I'm ready to thrash, waiting for the moment that the cymbals crash. My eyeliner sharp enough to cut the glass. I'm a heavy metal disaster with a lot of class. Ooh la la, you don't belong. The mirror ball is spinning, but the vibe is wrong. It's clear to see there's a mosh pit waiting just for me. I've got glitter in the gears, I'm a beautiful wreck. 2 a.m. for the pit with a chain around my neck. Too heavy for the booster, too shiny for the crowd. I'm playing my on-demand, I'm playing loud. Glitter in the gears. Ooh la la, glitter in the gears. Now I'm at the metal show in my platform boots, sticking out like a diamond in a pile of suits. The singer screaming bloody murder in the mic, but they're staring at my sequin jacket like yikes. I'm headbanging with the halo made of gold, a story that the headbangers never told. I try to start a circle pit, they just couldn't stand. Everything gets a sparkle in the long greasy hair. I guess I'm a paradox, they can't understand the heaviest, glitziest problem in the land. You don't belong. The amplifiers are humming, but the vibe is wrong. La la, it's clear to see there's a dance floor waiting just for me. I've got glitter in the gears, I'm a beautiful wreck. Too glam for the pit with a chain around my neck. Too heavy for the gifts, too shiny for the crowd. I'm playing my own anthem and I'm playing it loud. La la, glitter in the gears. Oh, ooh la la, glitter in the gears. Where do I feel this musical machine? Somewhere in between the obscene and the clean.